having the part of the production process and the medical care definitely. And so because of that, I was able to assist with my brother's college education and as well as his review and as well as his initial expenses in his first work in Japan. So he's in Japan as of this day. And then of course, I didn't have to file any in case he wants to go somewhere else with my family. I'm not yet very foreign card, but I have all the time with my family. This time, no, after my previous stint with them, I had to go to different places, like Visayas and Mindanao. And it's part of the Tabac and Zamboanga. So you see how busy my job was. So I'm sure marami po dito ganun din ano. So may income, ako, siguro kulang po yung gabi para po ma-express natin sa inyo how your income will improve, no? By just joining us tonight.
Alright, one last question. Why did you stay and become a career agent? Mark?